me. Hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me.
Good morning, good morning, good morning, guys. How's everyone doing? I hope you guys had a great day. All right, just give me a second here, guys. Uh, all right. Toot, toot, toot. CPI, guys. CPI news. That's what we're experiencing here with GJ and obviously GU. CPI news. All right. We'll wait for this craziness to be over. Let's have some music playing here. If we can still get in this CPI action, we will, and if not, we're just gonna keep waiting. Uh, Good morning, Toya. Good morning, Boomies. Uh, Good morning, Zohab. This is still loading. It's Wednesday now. They increased it a little bit. I think GJ is still gonna go back up. And GU. We'll see. If gold keeps rejecting 1645, then I'll be looking for quick buys above 1648. If we break below 1645, see this on the 4 hour. It's actually kind of tricky because we have this support here. So for now, I'm actually going to put this right here. See if gold is going to reject 1644. And then if we do reject 1644 on gold, then we could wait for a break below and retest. I mean, if we break below 1644, wait for a break and retest for a potential wick fill back to 1640. Good morning, Florian. Good morning, Giddy. When this kind of flip bearish, guess could have taken sales. I happened to miss that one.
Let me give you the moments in your life to step to fly away together. With your body, just wanna make you happy. I just wanna call on you. Money just fall on you. Another thing I won't do. Ooh yeah, I just wanna call on you. Let me do it all for you. Can't nobody call on you. Ooh yeah, wanna call on you.
You can't see my chat properly. How? It's probably your YouTube. Just gonna have to switch your YouTube to 1080p. So you're gonna have to switch your YouTube resolution to 1080p because I'm streaming in 1080p. Good morning, Odikaya. GJ GJ has this gap to fill. Now the question is, can he break these previous 4-hour lows? He could just fill it up back to these 4-hour lows and then reject and start falling again, and that's just basically what I'm looking to see. Rejected these 4-hour lows or rejected these previous 4-hour highs. So rejection at 168 900 950 or 169 100 to continue the bearish momentum. But if we break 169 100, then we wait for a retest and then we take the buys on GJ. GU, basically the same thing on GU. And gold, At this point, I'm waiting for this to go bullish, and for sales, I'm waiting for this. See what gold wants to do here. It's GJ trying to reject there. Rejecting right there. See how that closes. Alright, this candle closes in 1 minute. If we start closing below these lows, I'm gonna jump in this sell, guys. Because we do have this minor resistance support here. That's where we're rejecting that right now. I'll call the trade. All right. Oh boy. Since we rejected here, we should fall, man. We'll see. I'm looking at GJ. I haven't called it yet. You're welcome, Jacqueline. I mean, it should fall at this point. Just waiting for it to come back to this entry zone. Um, but then if it freaking flips bullish, then and there you go. And there you go. Silver weight. So at this point, we're probably just gonna retest this support, and then before we fall, my issue here with this move is this support here. If not, I'll be taking buys back to this 4-hour highs at 169, 100. And okay. GJ. You gotta be kidding me. You know what? I'm not liking this. It's playing freaking too many games. So I'm gonna just let it do whatever it's gonna do. It's playing too many games. So how this freaking candle just came down now and then freaking pulled back up? The entry we had earlier was somewhere over here, even though we ended up not taking it. If it pulls back, you can take. If it comes back to this entry, you can take it if you want, because we stay rejecting this freaking zone over here. But at this point, I want to wait and see how this candle closes. That's what I would like to see, because it's playing too many games. So I'm gonna wait and see how this candle closes. And then if we do have a sell, I will call it. The traffic here to the left is nasty though, very nasty, not clean at all. See how it looks on the 1 hour. Even on the 1 hour, just look at all these freaking wicks, very nasty. Gold is just about to break this, so if gold breaks, closes below this low, retest, and then we can take a continuation. This candle closes in 1 minute. Got like 10 seconds. Exactly. Oh man, but damn. Miss Gigi has to give me stop loss above that wick. Well, I took it, guys. I took it this time. I took it. Whatever happens, happens. I took this L. We'll see what happens, but this thing is playing games. At this point, we should continue falling, but it's playing games. The next rejection zone should actually be right here. And that's where I'm looking for to actually take some possible quick buys. Not right here. This right here should continue dropping back to freaking 168, 379 at least. Even with all this freaking choppiness over here to the left. So, I mean, we're in the trade now, so we'll see what happens. I know that 5-minute candle opens in 2 minutes. It's okay, J sales. I mean, GJ should fall. GU should fall too. At least back to 1.12804. My stream has a slight delay. Refresh your YouTube. Man, I'm this is very funny. Um, reach out to me on Instagram or Discord. I'm gonna just let this to do whatever it wants to do. I knew he was playing too many games. How do you mean go buy or sell? If you can't know when to buy or sell, then I don't know why you're trading. Yeah, so I'm gonna just leave GJ alone. Whatever he wants to do, I'm gonna just let it do. Cause this is a freaking cell setup here, but it's freaking playing games. Um, it is what it is. Florian, you say you took EJ. How's AJ going? How's your trade on AJ doing? G is playing games too. Yeah. The trade I should have been in was freaking nice, but I missed it. Maybe I'll catch it when London opens. Oh, your boy. I mean, you just took AJ and your 7 pips already, and you took sales. Oh, if GJ should stop us out here and freaking get to this support and reject and start falling, shit, I don't even know what to call that. JC, what were you saying? You said there is a 4-hour support. We just created the 4-hour support right here. And the previous 4-hour support, we actually broke that. And we were testing this support here. And that's why I took this L. Alright, that's it. First trade, first loss. Alright. Uh, Don't even call that one. I didn't set that trade to my VIP because I kind of They didn't like what it was doing here, but I took it anyways. So at this point, I'm just gonna wait for London. So how many pips did I lose here? 10, that's fine. Alright, so I lost 11 pips on this trade. Oh, you are. Alright. Gold is not doing anything right now. Gold, I'm waiting for it to retest this support. And then I will take the sell continuation. Are you waiting for the same thing? Nice. This support over here is the issue. Initially, yeah, Florine, that was what I was waiting for. But when it started rejecting this support over here, that was why I took the sell. Look, and it's still rejecting. Still hasn't closed above it. Still rejecting. It's just playing too many games at this point. This right here, this was a good sell. I don't care what anyone says. Look, still rejecting. Oh, you stayed in? Oh, alright. Yeah, I didn't want to lose more than what I lost. Who else is still in? Nicholas said he stayed in. Who else is still in? Oh, Finn said he's still in too. Yeah, hopefully it keeps falling for you guys. But I'm out of it. It should fall now though. It should fall now because it's rejected 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's rejected it 5 times. This is not enough for me to take gold sales. This right here is not enough for me to take gold sales right now. And if he falls, he falls. Damn, GU. GU's doing better than freaking GJ. Let me see. Where's the next support here? Oh yeah, back down here. GU should fall too. Get about a freaking 12 to 14 pips range back to this support. Yeah, I'm out of it too. Is your name George or Hey? AJ played well. Nice. Yeah, well, AJ Sales played well. This thing is just playing games. That's it. Two weeks straight now. What has really been making me money has been NAS. Forex players has been playing too much games for me. Just look at that. Say, if you know what's good for you, just get out of GJ at this point. Just get out. Not liking this at all. Shit, including freaking GU. They're both just playing games. Yeah, best thing at this point is to just wait for London. Yes, Rohan. Yes. We got a supply set up here. It should freaking fall, but hey, it is what it is. Good morning, Yvonne. I'm gonna make money today though, whether GJ likes it or not. It's gonna pay me. Except if London open and we don't have no volume. Yes, Nicholas. Yes. Um, I made that decision too, but it's not gonna be until. I mean, I might start it tomorrow or next week, and just simply just look at NASA and gold for the rest of the year. Um, I'll do it on stream also, just for the rest of the year, because I only trade NASA and gold with my private mentorship. But for the rest of the year, I'll do it on stream too. Um, so we'll see. I might do that tomorrow. So I might start doing that tomorrow here on stream or freaking or Monday. Because like I said earlier, the past 2 weeks, man. I mean, last week was okay with Forex pairs, but for the most part, nice and good was amazing for me last week. This week, I think I've only traded gold once, and I traded NAS Monday, traded NAS yesterday. Very good. Uh, so we'll see. See? Rohan, I told you to still wait it out on gold, but you took the sell already. Hmm. Just waiting for a retest of this support, and if that happens, I will try to get this zone here. Because from the looks of things right now, we currently rejecting this previous support on what day was this? On Thursday, September 29. Bitcoin is really good too. Mm. I don't trade crypto. Maybe in the maybe in the future when we can't trade currencies anymore, then of course I'm gonna have to start trading crypto. But for now, I'm okay with what I'm trading right now. I don't need to add Bitcoin to the list. That's doing too much. Are you still in GJ sales, Nicholas? So we didn't take the wrong trade at all. It was definitely the right trade. Excuse me, guys. They were there, that's now fill my pockets. Man, John, I'm telling you, that makes the both of us. I'm telling you. Fills my pocket like crazy. Now look at GJ. Wow, you gotta be kidding me. What should have been a winning trade instead was a loss. Very nice, John. That's what I'm waiting for. Oh, Finn is still in. Finn is like, oh well, I'm staying in. Wow. So after these three candles, then we eventually fell. These three bullish candles, then we fell, which is understandable. That's what I was saying earlier when we rejected again. I'm like, okay, it should fall now, but it's just playing games. Just didn't want to get in again. At this point, I'm gonna see what it does at 168.379. We'll see what it does from there. See what it does from right over here. See what it does. And that this was where I was gonna target for this sale. Gold should be falling too, yep. Alright. Dun. We'll see what gold is gonna do right here. Obviously, if gold breaks this, man oh man. Gold breaks 1644. See what it does right here at 1640. See what gold is gonna do. Bam. See what gold is gonna do. I don't know, I might mess around and trade NAS with you guys today too. We'll see. We shall see. Meantime, I'm gonna keep watching GJ. We got just a minute for London Open. You stay away from gold. Yeah, I used to be that way too until I started using supply and demand with it. So I've been trading gold. Oh, London Open. We could continue bearish though, just waiting to see if we're gonna break where we are right now. Mm. Who's gonna fill you in with the app so you can get on board? What app? I don't know the app you're talking about. The Quan. Smash all the nuts, man. Mm-mm-mm. What am I trading? Right now I'm looking at GJ. I'll, I'll possibly trade gold as well. Uh-uh. Right now gold is breaking previous 4 hour lows. I know, right, Nicholas? We took the right trade, just I guess you can say the wrong time, I guess. But mm, good morning, Jay Smith. So when I take a trade and it ends up being the right trade, you know, sometimes I get mad. But if I take a trade and it was actually the wrong trade, that's when I feel bad. Yeah, it could be. That's why I'm probably gonna be sticking to NASA and gold the rest of the year. Um, we should be getting runners by now. Wow, look at GU too. All right, so GU, we broke these lows, and now we are approaching these lows here. The rejection might come at this is 4 hour lows. If we break there, when we're gonna continue. We just got some more waiting to do. That's it. Yes, but your leverage has to be 1 to 200, J Smith. If your leverage is more than 1 to 200, then you're not going to qualify for the bonus. Uh, GJ rejecting these lows here. If it breaks below that low, then look at this nice potential wick fill. Should be very, very careful here. If GJ gives me a nice wick retest setup here, I'll take the buys back to the supply. Back to this supply. That's all I want to target. And if it gives me a runner, fine. So I'm gonna just wait. I'm not looking for sales right now until we break below 168 300 at this point. See how this candle closes. And look at gold. Damn, gold is still dropping. Alright. Now hopefully gold can give us a break and some type of retest here. And I'll be looking to take gold sales. I was anticipating a rejection here, just waiting to see how this candle is gonna close. But the way this candle is pushing, I need some type of pullback, retest, something for me to take buys. I cannot take it way up here. My stop loss will be too big. That's um, depending on how the next candle opens, then I could get a nice risk to reward here. Um, Depending on the next how the next candle opens, then I could have a tighter stop loss. So for now, I'm just gonna wait and see how this candle closes. What do you mean? I don't know what you're talking about. How much do I make every month off here? If this candle continues bearish and reject again, that would be nice. Then we could have a better entry and a better stop loss. So we'll see. Except if it closes. If it closes below, then buys is over with. But I don't see it closing below. I strongly believe this zone we're at right now is gonna hold, and we'll see. We'll see if it holds. Uh, that's why I didn't answer him, John Rosa. Like, why would you even think I'm making anything at all? I only have what? I don't even have 10K subscribers. Uh, I jumped in the buy. I jumped in the buy, guys. Um, Stop loss below this wick, and we'll see what happens. I think I had my entry somewhere. Okay, I wasn't activated until yep, that's where my entry is. Well, we'll see what happens, John. Was a very tight stop loss here. Obviously, if this candle flips bearish, boom, that's it, we out. My entry is at 168. Yep, my entry was right here. 168,536. That's my entry. I'm gonna have this thing below here. $168,536. That was my entry. We'll see what happens here. Okay, nice. This is gonna be 1 hour. Good morning, Andre. If I do take NAS here, if you're scared or have a small account, don't even try taking this. This is not for the small boys. This is for the big boys up. We're trying to be among the big boys. All right. Just trying to take this thing back to these 4-hour lows, previous 4-hour lows. And if it breaks that shit, that means I'm gonna freaking make bank if NAS goes my way. We'll see. Alright, GJ, let's go. Oh yeah, Hanko trade is cool. Alright, GJ is in profit. Let's see if he stays. I'm not watching Hanko. I mean, I'm not watching this trade on TradingView. I'm looking at it on my trading account. That's why I'm still not in at this time. This will be a little bit something else. All right, GJ, let's go. Come on, GJ, stop playing games. I'm not in NAS yet, guys. I had to show my trading account. Okay, keep waiting for it, Lucas. Why don't you ask traders that don't come here and do live streams for you guys? Why don't you ask them to do that for you? Come on, GJ. John said it's gonna cost you, Lucas. Yep. Okay. So, if we do take NAS here, if Anchor Trade is your broker, you're looking about 30 pips stop loss. But if your broker uses points, when you trade indices, you're looking at 300 points. Just so you know. Come on, GJ. What the hell? How is this freaking? Oh, alright. Where am I expecting GJ to go? Oh, I'm taking partials, guys, on GJ. I took partials on GJ at 15 pips. Well, let's see those W's. I'm expecting GJ to go back to this freaking supply, and if it continues, obviously, um, oh, I've not got one single runner this week. Okay, still gonna wait it out on NAS at this point. See. Alright, still gonna wait it out on NAS. I ended up not sending these buys. Okay. What's GJ doing? Come on, GJ, give us some rawness. Yeah, I took partials at 15. So I could have got more, but I wasn't paying attention to it when it did that. Well, it's been a rocky month so far. Don't get too happy yet on gold. Still looking for buys on NAS until we break below this support. I'm not looking for sales. If it breaks below, then I'll look for a supply setup. Uh, Back to this somewhere around this demand area to the left. All right. Come on, GJ, give us that runner, man. Give me 20 more pips. Alright, well, we're waiting. So, if you're looking for a good and reputable broker, just because your broker sucks, you're paying too much spread, too much commissions, then I strongly do recommend Hanko Trade. With Hanko Trade, you can either use MT4 or MT5 as your trading platform. And with Hanko Trade, there are two different account types that I do recommend. One of them is ECN if you have less than $1,000, or you can go with ECN Plus if you have at least $1,000 to deposit. Anchor trade spread start from zero point 0.0 pips, maximum leverage of 1 to 500, negative balance protection, very good low commission as well, and you can sign up for a matching deposit bonus. But if you do that, make sure your leverage is at least 1 to 200, no more, no less. Alright, so if you're interested in getting started with Anchor Trade, you guys can use my link down below in the description. Alright, NAS is trying to break these lows. Okay, GJ is gonna stop us out. Yep, it's gonna stop us out. It's not ready to go back up. And that's it. We out. We out of GJ. What am I smoking? It's a vape. Oh, I'm liking GU here. Oh, I'm liking GU here. If he rejects here, boy, I'm taking GU buys. Uh-huh. Yep. Let me look at GJ. Oh, okay. Oh, John, I thought you secured 17 pips on GJ. If we stay rejecting here, more buys on GJ. Except if we break below. So let's watch. If GU stays rejecting here, and she start breaking these new highs, don't get it twisted. I'm taking a buy. We'll see. 1 minute though. 1 minute. I want this candle to close bearish though. Okay, it's Still gonna hold it order for Nas. This is looking like similar thing that happened here yesterday with freaking GJ down in London. Just nasty, nasty, nasty movements. Nasty movements. If Nas retest this area, then I think buyers could come in from here. You want to see Nas push deeper? Yeah, I would like to see it push deeper, but if we retest this zone and we start falling again, I'll take this sell back to this previous demand zone. We got two zones here that we could see Nas pushing up from, like from right here with this rejection right now. You know what? I think Nas is gonna go up from here. This is the zone. This is the zone. This is the zone. 2 more minutes. See how this candle closes. This is the zone, John. And I think I'm right. I want to take GJ, GU, and NAS. Win all those. I'm not trading New York today. I think this is the zone, guys. This is the zone for NAS to push back up. Let's see. And the market is not friendly right now, though. Too many indecisions. Oh, I told you, Rohan, I told you not to get excited. We did not sales. I mean, with the gold sales. I want to get in once we start breaking this high. That's when I want to get in. Stop loss right below this wick. Oh. In GJ, in GU, waiting on us. You gotta be kidding me with freaking GJ right now. Uh, what's this right here? 5. Yeah, GJ is playing games. Yeah, GJ playing games, my guy. Look at GU. Damn, look at gold. Wow. London market yesterday is very, very similar to what's going on today. But damn, look at gold though. This is the exact same thing Nas should have done. I know, right? Uh, um, I actually took Nas. If you're not scared, you're welcome to take it with me. And if you are, then you can just watch. Um, we'll see what happens here with Nas. And I'll be calling it a stream after this right here. The only trade I'm in right now is GU. Hold on, did I close GU? No. I took GU buys once it started breaking these freaking highs. Um, Obviously, I just took NAS. Um, so we'll see. Hold on, did I send them GU or GJ? I hope it's GU. Oh, I didn't say nothing. The way the market is moving today, I don't even feel like sending them nothing. Come on, Nas. Come on, Nas. You've been making me money so far all week. Let's go. Keep it going. GU, GJ, those two pairs today, man. And I was gonna take this gold trade. See, why did he reject here, though? That's the question. See, 1 hour. Oh, interesting. Man, Nas is playing games. Yeah, that's why I'm not taking nothing else until New York session. Just gonna see what Nas does. Um, I'm still in GU though. I'm still in GU. Mm. Not understanding GU and GJ today at all. Come on, Nas, let's go. I need Nas to give me 200 points first, and then I'll secure profits 200 points. GU playing games. Very interesting. Yeah. Look at freaking good. Look at what we missed. Just look at what we missed. Oh my freaking god. 60 pips. 60 pips on gold. And we missed it. Come on, Nas. Make up for my gold miss. Nas. Make up for my gold miss. You still in GJSL? Oh, okay. I'm not in GJ, I'm in GU buys. Come on, Nas. Almost at 200 points. Come on, come on, come on. This Nas candle closes in 2 minutes. Alright, 200 points secured on Nas. 200 points secured on Nas. Win on Nas. If you took it with me, congratulations. First Nas trade on the live stream was a win. If you took it, let's see those W's. Yeah, guys, Nas and go to from now on, the rest of the year, we're gonna be trading Nas and go together. I've been killing Nas all freaking week. All week. Ooh, 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 still waiting on GU. Oh man, gold went back to the previous 4-hour highs and smashed it. Come on, Nas. If Nas breaks 11208, is on. It is on, boys. Oh, no, 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 no. It's not, Oscar. For example, if your broker was Hanko Trade and you took this trade, you only made 20 pips. You only secured 20 pips. So the thing with indices is that, and I don't know why it is like that, but what I do know is that some brokers, when you trade indices, all right, some brokers, when you trade indices, they use points, and some use pips. Man, just think about it. Some brokers use points, some brokers use pips. So the way this is calculated is one pip. I think I've said this before. So one pip, difference between pips and points. One pip, uh, man, ignore my drawings. Ignore my drawings. One pip is equal to 10 points. I don't know if that makes sense. 10 points. So meaning with my broker, if NAS moves one pip, that's 10 points, right? With a broker that uses pips, when you trade indices, one pip versus that's one pips. If you move 20 pips, that's 200 points. That's why for me, I secure 200 points because my broker that I use with NAS, with my indices, they use points, not pips. That's why if you know what you're doing, if you know what you're doing and you want to trade indices, just go with a broker that uses points. Now, going with a broker that uses points traded indices, it simply means you could make good money and you could lose a lot of money. But if you have a small account, for example, you can just go with a broker like Anchor Trade and still trade indices and be able to compound your account much faster because it moves very fast. It's a very volatile pair, and yeah, so that's that. So this is where we actually need to break because what we simply did now was just filled up this gap. That was all we did. Just filled up this gap. Now it just needs to break above it. If it breaks above it, we're gonna continue. If it rejects it, then we possibly gonna fall here. Um, I know probably gonna trade New York today. If I'm out of GU, man, oh man. Yep, nice and good it is. I'm not messing with GU. In fact, I'm not messing with any Forex pairs for the rest of the year. I'm just gonna stick to nice and good. It's just not been working for me anymore. So it's time to stop it and just stick to what has been working, which is nice and good. And that's it. Oh, you're welcome, Oscar. Um, Let me freaking add this. Damn, that's freaking 13 losses. Oh, oh wow. I'm actually out of NAS. I'm out of NAS. All right. Let's see how good it's gonna react to 1642. See how good it's gonna react to 1642. Well, congratulations to you, Finn. Your sale is playing out on GJ. Your sale is playing out nicely on GJ. He said he hopes it goes to 167,380. It could. Damn. Damn, that would be crazy if it gets to 167,600. Probably. This previous 4-hour highs. Since GJ does not want to push back up, probably that's gonna happen though in New York. It's not zone down here. We gold right now, but I would have loved to catch it at this second candle. Not this third candle. It should come back down to. It should come all the way back down to this to 1638. Took US 30. Yeah, I'm gonna be adding US 30 to my watch list too. I'm going straight up indices and gold for the rest of the year. Straight up indices. And no cap. Straight up indices and gold. If I stuck to indices for this freaking past 2 weeks, man oh man, my account right now, when I saw this gold dropping as well, to be honest with you guys, I felt reluctant to take it. Which is okay, because at the end of the day, when you're not confident in a trade setup that you see, just don't take it. Even if the trade ends up going, in your way, but you didn't take it, it is what it is. You just didn't feel confident taking it. There's nothing wrong in that. There's no shame in it. And I'm done with GG. Freaking, I'm not looking at it anymore. GU, boom, not looking at that anymore either. Let me check out US 30. New tab to the right. Trading view. If US 30 is dropping, if NAS is dropping, then US 30 is dropping. I don't even have to look at it. Just waiting for that to happen. Just wasn't confident in this now. Is this gold self? But it's okay. I'm gonna trade New York today. Damn, why is this taking forever to load? Uh, t- t- Damn, it's Forex.com. Does anyone use Forex.com as a broker in the chat? Can't find it here. I'm gonna just use currency.com. Man, we're about to be killing these indices. And who knows? I might even go back to streaming New York session just because of indices next year. And I don't know why this is taking too long to load. Yeah, gold should head back to the support at this point. You took it every 1 minute. If the setup looks exactly like NAS right now, then it definitely was a good trade. Because we got supply right here, and we simply went down, went back up, rejected it, and we started falling. And this is taking forever to load. So for those of you that are still on here, like I said, if you're gonna watch my stream for the rest of this year, guys, you're not gonna get any forex pair from me anymore. You're just gonna get indices and gold. Just waiting on NAS to see how it's going to react here. Because if we do reject NAS, reject here again, then we have what, a double bottom, and we could go back up. Probably we just go back up to retest this supply again, or we could eventually break it and then start pushing up again. That's all I'm waiting for right now. Alright, US30 is finally loaded. Yep, the same setup. The same setup on NAS here on US30. So let me go to the H4 time frame here. When I first started out, man, I used to trade NAS. I mean, I actually used to prefer US30 when I first started out. And then I just happened to fall in love with NAS. Alright, so we are approaching a rejection zone here on US30 as well. If we hit this zone, we're going to have a double bottom, and we should go back up to the supply potentially, or we could break it and just continue going. Alright, friend, have a great dinner. Changing this to this focus. That's 100. But next year we'll go back to Forex space when I start trading again. Damn. How kind of mad about these sales that I didn't take. Oh. Damn. Very nice risk to reward. Anyways. It's time to see if this is gonna hold. Oh, you wanted to short NAS? Yeah. You just didn't see this setup. It happens. I mean, I did the same thing on gold. I mean, I saw the setup. I just wasn't confident to take it. It happens. It's okay. There's no need to trip. There's always gonna be another trade to take, another trade setup. Right now, all I'm doing right now is waiting for the trade for the next trade setup on NAS. And if it does what I'm anticipating right now, it's gonna be good buys. it's gonna be good buys. Minute, we're just gonna fill all this up. All this. We're gonna fill all this up. Oh, you mean it's simple to trade, Nicholas? This right here. So we need to make this bigger. Alright, I want to see how Nas reacts here. I want to see how he reacts. You were steady. Steady already kind of broke what zone I'm looking at. See what it does over here. Indices, yes. I don't know why some people are still scared of trading indices. Like, if you're scared, just go with a broker like Anchor Trade. It will still be like trading currencies, but the only difference is you can be in and out very fast. Very quick. Within freaking 15 to 30 minutes, you're done for the day. That's the difference between trading indices and trading currency pairs. Yeah, true. Make more with indices, and you can lose more too. Trading indices is not a game. What I want to do with my channel right now is I'm gonna do indices for the rest of the year, and the last day I'm gonna stream here for this year, I'm just gonna create a poll to see if you guys want us to stick to indices during the live streams or just go back to currency pair. Do you guys understand the reason why I'm looking for rejection right here? Really, John Wilson? Yeah, NASA's in the zone. Just waiting to see how he reacts. If we keep pushing up, my entry will be somewhere right there. Target is supply. Not gonna be my final target though. John, I never knew you was a supply and demand trader. I never knew that until today. I think in this industry we have less supply and demand traders. We have more breakout traders. I think it's not proven, it's just my own opinion, because I don't see too many traders trading supply and demand. See US 30. I was expecting US 30 to come down here, but this zone makes sense too. But I gotta pick one. I can't trade both NAS and US 30. I have to pick one. So see how this candle closes. You sell NAS and buy US 30? Oh. I might get in aggressively here. But when I take the trade, I'll let you guys know. Ah, you took the nice trade already. I'm actually not in yet. I'm not in yet. With NAS, when I trade indices, I usually like to wait for the second or third candle before I take the trade. Now, you were steady. If I was going to trade it, yeah, I'll be waiting on this candle. Yeah, John, that's exactly how you do it. Next trade you go smaller. Just in case if that trade ends up being a losing trade, you're either gonna end up break even or just make less. Not in US 30 either, not in Nasdaq either. The sellers are strong right now, boy. If Nas breaks this zone, I'm just gonna, that's it. I'm just gonna look for my setup down in New York. Actually, if we should start breaking these freaking lows here at 11125, I'm just gonna end this stream and I'll be trading it with my private mentorship. Ah, nice. Very nice. Very nice, John. So, you guys see where the entry is? Because I'm about to go use the restroom. And just in case if I'm not back, but once we start crossing where this entry is, just get in, because I'm going to be looking at it also. But obviously, I won't be able to tell you guys. So, um, yeah, just be on the lookout. Once we start crossing where my entry is going to be, just take the buys. This is buys, not sells. All right. Okay. I'll be right back. Um, okay. I'll be right back, guys.
Loving how you wind up for me. Tonight is all on me. Mash up the place for me. Yeah, yeah. She just wanna highlight. Ooh, wee, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Loving the way you move around me. No more delay. No, you can wait to shut it down. Want to show me how you work it? I can find no flaws, you perfect. 'Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that you come across my mind, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. In love. The way that you move, wanna connect with you like Bluetooth. No touching, that's my boo-boo. Your love, they do me voodoo. She's my new boo. I'm watching her like YouTube. I wanna ride like choo-choo. Your love, they do me cuckoo. Hey, yeah. Loving the way you move around me. That body don't
All right, John. Yeah, so today, Nasdaq US 30 is doing the same thing today. Like they're moving exactly the same today. But gotta get out. This zone has to hold. Same thing happened in the past. We broke it, came down, we tested the zone, we pushed up. Every time it got to this zone, it pushed up. So we'll see if it's gonna do the same thing today. That's why this is a very good zone for Nas to go back up again. Damn, the 4 hour candle is about to open. New 4 hour candle opens in what? About 10 minutes. That's the only thing I'm worried about. Aside from that, I'm not worried about this trade. You said it looks like it will go up. I mean, it should, because every time we got to this zone, the times we got to this zone, we just kept on going up. So it is a demand zone. I'm up 60. I'm up 70 points. I need 200 now. I need 200. At this point, I can't say yes, Nicholas. At this point, until it happens. But what I do know is that if we should break this supply, I think we're gonna go all the way up here. And actually, that's where my final target is gonna be on NAS. I'm just gonna continue taking partials as long as it does not stop me out. I'm gonna stay in. If it gives me 200 points here. Yeah. So the only thing I'm worried about now is the new 4-hour candle that's gonna open. Uh, it's like we're back in the negative. Now to manage my risk on NAS, if we should mess around and start breaking below this most recent low here, I'm gonna close half just to manage my risk, and then I'll let the rest run. Especially since I took this trade 30 minutes before, I don't know, I think I took it 15 minutes before the new 4-hour candle opens. So that's how I'm gonna manage my risk on this trade. How you say you closed it? You don't trust the 4 hour. Well, I don't blame you because the 4 hour could actually open bearish, and that's gonna be the first issue. It could flip bullish later, but if it opens bearish, man, that's gonna be a problem. And we got 2 minutes. I was expecting to get at least 200 before that, before the freaking new 4 hour candle opens. We'll see though, because that doesn't happen all the time, but it's just that it happens a lot. So maybe the new 4 hour candle will open bullish. We'll see. Come on, you got 2 minutes. You can freaking spike up. You can do this in 2 minutes. Nas is you. Nas, you can do it in 2 minutes. In fact, you can even do it in 1 minute. You've done it before, so do it again today. I don't want to close it. I just want to trust my gut here. I'm going with my gut. I'm not going to close it. Good morning, Frank Appiah. Oh, your name sounds Ghanaian. You must be Ghanaian. You took the buys to J Smith, or you just watching? Yeah, man, the 4 hour candles open bearish. The 4 hour candle can be nasty sometimes. Well, it opened bearish, but the good thing about this is that it has no top wick. That's the good thing about this. Right? 50-50. 50-50. So I'm just trusting my gut, staying in NAS. Oh, you took the buys too? Nice. If we take partials and secure some profit here, and that's just freaking keep going. If it breaks above this supply, man. Oh, you took US steady. You probably took US steady. I took NAS. I didn't take US steady. Damn, gold is still continuing downtrend. Oh, you took S&P. Okay. This this is a 1 to 5 risk to reward ratio here. If it gets all the way to this supply, that would be nice. GBP USD, sorry brother. You can send your chart to Discord though. Hanzo currency pairs has been discontinued on this channel. Come on, nice. $100 more points to go, or 10 pips. Come on. Let's go. 70 more points or 7 pips to go. You go back in, Nicholas. See, I don't blame you. You said BTC, US30 and US Tech. No, it's just NAS 100, US30 and gold. That's all you're gonna get from this channel, at least for the rest of the year. And who knows? It might just be the same next year too. Oh, they all go in the same way? Oh, okay. Come on, 20 more points. All right, securing partials. Securing partials. All right, partials taking at what? All right, 280 points. Partials taking on NAS. If you took NAS, let's see those W's. Partials taking at 280 points. If yours is in pips, that's 28 pips for you. But for me, my broker is in points, so that's 280 points for me. Nas King in the building. If Nas gets to 400 points, I will be securing more. We shall see. Oh, music is finished. Let me play some Tyra. Let me play some Tyra. Copy this. Man, look at US 30. Come on, Nas, let me secure 400 points. That's 21. 695 plus 280. Nine 75. Six. Oh, it's pulling back. I just wanted to get to 400 at least. Oh, very nice, Nicholas. Very nice. You should get here at least, my guy. If the second candle opens bearish, and start breaking 11175, I'm just gonna get out of this, close my NAS. I might trade it during New York, or I might just not trade New York at all. We didn't quite fill all this up yet, but you know how it is with trading. If he wants to continue bullish, this candle has to close bullish. If not even break these freaking new highs right now. $2,600 points banger for me last week on NAS. That was the highest I made on NAS last week. Um, if it does exactly what I'm anticipating, and if I do not get stopped out here, I'm looking at 1,600 points. Potential 1,600 points. Because I think it's gonna break this support if we break this supply. But first, we gotta break this supply first before that happens. Hi, Black Man GJ, no GJ. You must have just got here. Alright. I'll be back, guys. Can you guys still hear me? Um, this is a retest area. That's why I'm still in this NAS right now. Just waiting to see how this candle closes. USD went up nicely though. USD went up 500 points. There's a retest zone here on US32. Somewhere around here. If we close below triple 1174.50, that's when I'm gonna get out of NAS, and I'll probably look at it again though in New York. I was gonna take more partials at 350 points, but I just wanted to get to 400. Um, um, tu- 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 tu. See what you do from here. All right. Mm, 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 mm. All right. I'm out. I closed out my trade on NAS, guys. All right, guys. It's time for me to get off now. So God bless you all. We do this again. Remember, it's gonna be gold, NAS, and US 30 from now on. All right. during London session stream. And this is the three pairs I will be trading for the rest of the year. And who knows, maybe it might be the same next year. So God bless you all. Nice stream eventually. Thanks to freaking the two nice 100 trades we took. So God bless you all. I'll see you guys tomorrow.
I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I got eyes in the back of my head, I'm seeing. Take me for granted and you know I'm leaving. I'ma take what's mine with the webs I'm weaving. I could take this crowd from seeing to believing. Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So sharp, so freezing, so cold. Behold, frostbite they feeling. I could tear you apart or I could go heal them. Don't believe in fate, don't believe in ceilings. I just need a taste and my mind starts peeling. I don't pace myself, I grind on kneeling. Got lust for change, I just love the feeling. I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. Cause I'ma live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I live life for the fight, yeah, I'm here to get it. I got drive, got sight, always have a vision. I go by at night, I be in my feelings. I'ma be fine, need time, and I'll soon be winning. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight, got pride, got reason. If they wanna go eat, then you know I'm gon' feed them. If you're coming for me, hope you're ready for a demon. I can feel the blood creeping up from the heathens. Got will, got fight.